Hi friends, I'm showing you today the Yoovee baby playmat. This is an extra large folding baby, like a crawling mat, playing mat, or you can use it any way you want. Waterproof, and it's a reversible playmat form, non-toxic, anti-slip, and portable for kids. So as you can see that it comes in a really carry bag, nice carry bag and zippered, that you can pack it the way you want. Very lightweight, and it's very easy to pack and fold. So you can see that this is a form, and it's all sectioned, so it's very easy to pack and fold in this bag, and you can move it anywhere you want. Manual for the care, but this one is very straightforward. It's a waterproof. There are two design. One is this whale one that I'm showing you after expanding it to its full, and you can see it's very cushioned thing, like, and the stitching and everything is very well made. So these are the layers in the corner. You can see that is very soft and good for the toddler or any kid, and you can see like this very nice big whale design. And this is the second side, and it is reversible. As you can see, there are two designs. One is the whale and one is this elephant one, with some writing. Is very nice, colorful, bright designs for kids. The stitching, I like the quality, like how they it made of, and the way it is placed. So now my the thing is to show like the quality and the feel that I'm feeling, and I feel is really very comfortable and nice. Now my kids are really creative on that. They try to make it as a tunnel, as you can see it here. So because it can fold easily, it is nice, and the kids make it as a tunnel and start playing with it. So I just try to record what their different creativity is, and this is another creativity. They try to make it like a tent house, or like something like store, and to play and take photos like prop. This is how like they are playing on the mat, and you can see it's very comfortable. The two kids can easily sit and play on it, and then even more kids can play. So it's very comfortable. No complaints from my kids on this comfortability. They like it, and they just mentioned to me that it is very soft and comfortable. So this is good, and you can play like anything you want to play with this extra large size. It's pretty much fun for them, and the good thing about it is like you can also like use any design you want to use, like both sides. And as this is you can see like, and as this is the waterproof, you can see like you can just clean it very easily. Very soft and cushionable, so easy to clean, easy to store, stable, portable, nice, comfortable playmat.